Ohio currently has nearly 3,000 coronavirus cases and 81 deaths. And now the Buckeye State is taking new preventative measures to help flatten the curve.
13 News reporter Haley Kosick joins us now live in the studio with all the details. Haley.
Rob and Jennifer, Governor DeWine says that Ohioans have made great progress in flattening the curve and that they can't let their accomplishments be for nothing. And if all goes according to plan, they are hoping to reach the peak sooner rather than later. In Thursday's press briefing, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine announced that the state is extending its stay-at-home order until May 1st, with the hope that if everyone continues to social distance and practice good hygiene, the coronavirus could peak in mid-May.
But we have to stay in this. We cannot let what we've accomplished, and we have accomplished a lot. We are in a decent position, a lot better than we would have been. What you have done is saved a number of lives, but we are still in this. This is not over with yet.
On top of the extended stay-at-home order, come Monday, Governor DeWine and state officials will roll out a new dispute resolution panel that will handle cases where businesses are being treated differently compared to others in different counties.
People of Ohio dealing with this every single day, particularly the people who've lost a job, particularly the people who have a small business and are worried about that small business. But the action we're taking today is action that I know will save lives.
Governor DeWine says the complaint he hears the most is overcrowding in stores. He is now mandating stores that are still open to limit the number of people allowed to shop at a time.
We're going to continue to see these numbers go up, no matter what we do. But we can keep the numbers down, and we can continue to save lives. Over 2,900 of our fellow Ohioans we know now have, in fact, been infected.
Governor DeWine encourages retired first responders and medical professionals, if interested, to help volunteer where their service could be beneficial. For travelers coming in and out of Ohio, health experts say you should quarantine yourself for 14 days as a precaution. In studio, I'm Haley Kosick, 13 News, working for you.